I'm Danielle Hale, Chief Economist for Realtor.com, and here's what you need to know this week. Retail sales rebounded in January as vaccines and stimulus checks rolled out, and new COVID cases began declining. Digging deeper on retail sales, the pandemic's impact on how people spend time and money has left its mark. From 1 year ago, the businesses with the biggest growth were non-store retailers, sporting goods, hobby, musical, and bookstores, and building material and garden equipment and supplies dealers. In housing, the administration extended foreclosure moratoriums and forbearance programs aimed at keeping individuals in their homes. While the extensions are welcome news, the ongoing need for these programs, like this week's higher jobless claims figure, is a reminder of how far from normal the economic landscape still is. January's construction report was mixed, with single-family construction a relative bright spot. Although single-family starts dropped from December, single-family permits, homes under construction, and completions were higher in the month, and all figures were up compared to 1 year ago. Homebuilder confidence remains as high as it was in early fall despite a small step back in January, while sales of existing homes climbed higher in January. Mortgage rates moved much higher this week, hitting the highest level since November, but they're still lower than just about any other time. For homebuyers, this is a good reminder that rates can change and are expected to trend up this year. Make sure you know what higher rates could mean for your monthly budget and target home price. As we move closer to the heart of home buying season, seller trends improved somewhat. While there are still fewer newly listed homes compared to a year ago, the share of newly listed homes increased, meaning that more of what's for sale now was likely listed in the last week. At the same time, the total number of homes for sale continues to decline, causing prices to rise, homes to sell quickly, and buyers to show some signs of frustration. The buyer demand component of our Housing Recovery Index remains high, but it slowed in the last week, as some are likely reevaluating their options in light of these tough housing market conditions. You'll find details from these and other reports and our housing data for download at Realtor.com/research. And you can also follow us on Twitter for real-time updates.